Palm Harbor Homes, your...
Hi folks, this is Chris Thielen, General Manager here at Palm Harbor Homes, Tulsa. I'm coming to you from our beautiful award-winning La Linda floor plan. This is one of our most celebrated and glamorous floor plans, or triple section homes that we have in our inventory. It features 2,280 square feet of living space, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, huge residential wraparound front porch on this home, 2 living areas, the family room with a wood-burning fireplace, and here in the kitchen that I'm in, you can see the huge oversized 42-inch cabinets behind me, stainless steel appliance package, and huge island, Baker's Island if you want to call it. This home is just packed with features. We marked this home down over $30,000 right now, folks. We're going to deliver, set up, AC your home anywhere in the state of Oklahoma for $152,900 right now. This home, $152,900, anywhere in the state of Oklahoma, delivered, set up with your AC. You'll have your 12-year structural warranty with this home. You're going to have your 5-year extended warranty on all the operating systems of this home, electrical, plumbing, HVAC equipment, appliances. All that's going to be covered for 5 years. You need to get in here. Call me, 918-234-8900. Again, that's 918-234-8900, or look us up on the web at tulsa.palmharbor.com. We'll see you here.
More home for your money.